Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is July 4, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news update. We're simply here just to give you all some of our results from our Patreon page, something that only our members are able to receive, and just to give you all more proof and evidence that this is a great benefit, a great tool for you all if you are not one of our members. We're just literally here to show you that we understand the market. We are giving you this type of analysis that no one else is literally giving you all. We are predicting where prices are likely to go before it actually occurs. And if you're not our member, then you definitely need to come on over to our HueFin News Patreon page in order to get this type of analysis before anyone else. You can see here that we uploaded this video yesterday at July 3rd at 5:40 p.m. And today I'm going to show you the results for EOS, Litecoin, and Stellar. Okay, now you can see here that I told all of our members to be careful in the market and control their emotions, because if we close on the low of the daily price bar today, then we are forecasting movement lower. Now we may not move that low, but again, we are not seeing indications of market strength. And I want you all to see here, the first one up is going to be EOS. Okay, so let's go ahead and move it on over to where we speak on EOS.
Look at EOS. You can see EOS is up 0.35%. Last trade was 135,970 Satoshis. And just like with Ripple, you all can see that EOS is getting inundated with some stockpile today in the market, albeit it's not as bad. Three-hour chart for EOS shows you that 134,000 Satoshis is holding quite well as support. Even though we're not getting a lot of indications of interest in higher prices at this moment, there's still a little bit of consolidation that is a lot better than some of these other altcoins that we've done our analysis for. But there's still weakness definitely on the 3-hour chart. And looking at the 1-hour bars, you can see here as well that there's definitely some weakness in this particular space. I'm looking for us to continue to move to the downside for EOS. 134,000 definitely has to hold that support though. If we hold that area as support, then expect the consolidation to resume and continue. If we break 134,000, then definitely we're coming all the way back down towards 132. And it might just be a quick move to where you just bounce and move back up higher in price.
There you go. I just told you already right here that if we cannot hold 134,000 Satoshis, that we may come all the way back down towards 132,000. And on this 1-hour bar definitely shows you that we came all the way down towards 132,170 Satoshis. And I just told you it might be a quick move, and that is exactly what occurred on this 1-hour bar, and we quickly recovered. And you can see here that we were able to move higher since then.
But the market is not interested in higher prices at this particular time. Expect the market for EOS as well to continue to move to the downside. That's going to be our analysis for the moment.
So now let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin.
Now let's take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin is having a pretty good day today, even though the daily price chart is showing us some stockpile. The 3-hour bar shows you that we are seeing some indications of market weakness, albeit it's not overly that weak, but we are coming across some resistance around that 13,300 Satoshi area. That is a very hard resistance area for Litecoin to overcome. We're trying it again. You can see here that we was able to break 13,300 right here. We've been trying to build up momentum to come back up and try it again, and we still are losing out. So expect Litecoin to continue to move to the downside until it builds up enough actual momentum in this space to break 13,300 Satoshis. And you can see here the reason why Litecoin is having such a hard time to break 13,300 Satoshis, because it was acting as resistance in the background of this chart. as well. So now expect us to continue consolidation, movement lower until we build up enough momentum, i.e. volume, to break 13,300 Satoshis. Until then, that's what's going to happen. We're going to consolidate and move lower. Market can find support around 13,100, even 13,000 Satoshis even. Now,
so there you go. We told you already that we were expecting Litecoin to continue to move lower in price. 13,300 Satoshis was a very strong area of resistance, and the result you guys can see on the left side of this chart is movement to the downside. Now, the last one I'm going to show you is with Stellar.
Take a look at Stellar. Stellar currently is down 3.31%. Last trade was 3,150 Satoshis. So this particular daily price bar is as well as telling us that still weakness here in this particular space. And a lot of volume came in on this 3-hour bar. You can see what the result is. So we're looking for Stellar to continue to move to the downside. You can see here that it might hold support around 3,100.
They already told you that Stellar can hold support around 3,100 Satoshis. And you can see here on this 3-hour bar that Stellar came all the way down exactly at 3,100 Satoshis.
3,125 in and around those prices. Stellar can come and hold support. But definitely, I'm not seeing a lot of indications of market strength in this space. I'm looking for Stellar to move lower in price. Again, 3,125, 3,130 could hold support, or 3,100 Satoshis even can definitely be the logical area for this coin to find its support. If it breaks 3,100 Satoshis over the next couple of hours into tomorrow's trading, then definitely it's going to move a lot lower than that. So just be prepared.
There you go. I gave you 3 situational occurrences on our analysis on where we expect the market to move, and it was pinpoint, very precise. All of this without using indicators. We're not here to confuse you. What we have at this particular business is very powerful, and you are missing out if you're not our member on our HueFin News Patreon page. So I definitely look forward to seeing you all there. This video is just literally show you the proof that we understand what we're talking about. We're not giving you no fluff. We're not trying to give you some excitement. We're literally just about the market. And if it's going to tell us that it's going to move higher, we'll let you know. If the market is telling us that it's going to move lower, we'll let you know. We're unbiased in regards to price movement. Okay. So that's all I got for today. Make sure you all maintain your profitability. And again, I'll see you over on our HueFin News Patreon page.